Hi everyone, this is Nathan Funk, Technical Product Manager here at Abiz Technologies. The 4.6 firmware release simplifies the work of extracting and measuring geometric features in your scan results. Tools in previous firmware releases only ever produced scalar measurements. Now with the 4.6 release, tools can also output features, specifically points and lines. These features can then be taken as inputs into other tools to easily perform measurements between the features. Most tools now produce features. For example, the surface hole tool now produces a center point feature. I can show that here with the surface hole tool that I've already created. It's finding a hole here on the corner of the part. And I can look at the features here and see my center point feature being output. That can be used for measurements to, for example, measure the distance of the hole from an edge or some other feature. Another example of a tool that provides features as an output is the new Surface Edge tool. So I'm going to add one of those here. And I'm going to demonstrate measuring the step down from this component to the circuit board. So I'm going to drag my region here over this. And the main setting that I need to change here is the step direction, because right now it's looking for a rising edge and actually I've got a falling edge. So once I change that, the results already look quite good. There's just a few more things that I need to tweak. I can first of all change the path spacing, for example, to 0.5 millimeters, just to show you exactly how it's finding these points. So for every path here, it finds one edge point. Then I can also adjust the maximum gap, which is the gap between the lower and the higher areas in the case of some occlusion. So I'm going to fill that in with 1 millimeter maximum. That just fills in all these null values so that they have the lower value from the step height, and that gives me a very accurate edge point for every one of these lines. And then the tool fits a line for all the points that it finds, and that line is output as a feature. So if I look in my features here, edge line, I can see this line being output, and it's a very robust fit to the edge just because I have so many points along the edge that I'm using to fit the line to. As you can see, the new Surface Edge tool gives you full control of finding different edges on your scan data. The line feature it finds can later be used to intersect with other lines or measure distances to other feature points.